Hi Sen family, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification bell and leave a comment. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make fried fish and fried rice. Okay, this is how we Asian make fried fish and fried rice. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. Guys, today I'm going to show you how I clean the fish. So this is the fish. We're cleaning it right now, okay? So that part, every Asian like to take it off. Si gen Haitien kap gade video sa la, nan mouman, please, abonne ak channel sa nap gade ya la pou nou supporte m, pou nou ankouraje m, abonne. Klike ti like button nan. M konen Haitien parent, men klike like nan video moun. But ma mande nou, s'il vous plaît, si nou remen sa map fè ya, si nou remen jan moutre lot nasyon yo, même si nou tout fè manje diferent, nou remen jan moutre lot nasyon yo, an supporte mwen. Bam, on ti like. So when I make the video, I don't talk because I have my kids, they making noise. So I trying to talk on the video after. So it's difficult for me guys to tell you everything. But if you guys want to know something, please comment and ask me and I will let you know. But I'm working on that for next time when I make more videos so I can talk on the video and I can explain everything. You know, I'm new to the channel and I have this channel for like almost a month. So I'm trying, guys. Please support me. So this is how I clean my fish, guys. So I let it sit in there for a little while before I clean it. Okay? So now we're gonna rinse it and then put the seasoning after. So if you guys trying all this process the way I show you on the video, trust me, you're gonna love that fish. That fish is very good. Guys, I'm sick at the moment, so I won't talk that much on the video. But please stay tuned for the rest of the video, okay? Let's watch together and dance at the moment while making fish and fried rice. If you guys know what I did with the rest of those breading, I was breading the fish. Let me know what I did with it. I know only Asian people will know what I did with it. Let me know in the comment section.